I'm digging this. I like this. Clearly you guys know from the title that this is one of the days of 31 days of Halloween here on my channel. If you are new here and do not know what that is, I'm doing a different Halloween look for all 31 days in October to celebrate spooky bitch season. I'm excited. I don't know how you guys feel. The only FX makeup I used in this whole entire look was the blood. The blood that's on my shirt. I hadn't worn this shirt before. It's like new. I mean, I don't like it that much. It does not fit me correctly. It is too short. Anyway, the only FX like special shit you're gonna need for this look is blood. I have blood scab, which is what's currently getting chunky all around my face and kind of thick. And then I also have zombie blood spray, which is what is on my shirt. So it goes, son of a bitch. It goes without saying that you need to wear, like, if you're wearing a costume, this would be perfect. You can spray this on your clothes. It gives a really good splatter effect, but it will stain your shit. So, you know, like, just be careful. So just imagine like you're all glammed up and you're going to party or something and you got ran over. They do make tire track stencils if you would like to use one. I didn't want to buy anything else for the look, so I used one of the Wet n Wild multi-sticks, the red toned one, and eyeshadows for the whole thing. Like, literally the entire thing, other than the blood, clearly. So, super easy to achieve, super creepy, and the more blood and grossness you add to this look, the cooler it's gonna freaking look. I had to stop with the blood because, well, I'm inside and I'm about to take a shower and get ready to go to family dinner, and I don't think they'd appreciate it if I showed up like this, but y'all do you. If you want to add more blood, go for it. I think it would look so cool with more blood on it. I'm actually, excuse me, gonna just, yeah. All right, I feel better now. So, your hands are gonna get gross too in this process. If you guys like this video, or if you're excited to see the rest of 31 Days of Halloween, please give this video a big thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel for more spooky shit in the month of October, and then after October we can go back to my normal this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the video. So I'm starting with my foundation and my eyebrows already on, and I'm just doing a quick glam smoky eye. You can do whatever you want. I just mixed a lot of browns with black and then put a very, very shimmery shade in the center of my eye. You do you though, boo. If you want to do something even crazier, you go for it. It wouldn't be a glam eye if we didn't add a wing to it. I'm just quickly adding a wing with my Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black. And I'm also smoking this out pretty far underneath my bottom lash line just so it's super glam and super extra. just finishing off the glam side of my face by adding some highlights to my inner corner and under my brow bone. I also tightlined my eye using black eyeliner and applied mascara. You can do a false lash if you really wanted to. Now we're moving on to the more gross side of my face. I'm just taking a mixture of light green, light and dark yellow, burgundy, and black eyeshadows and super blending them out and not really paying attention to a specific shape to create a bruise over my eye. You can do however big or however little of a bruise you want, does not matter. The good thing about using eyeshadows instead of cream paints or anything like that, you can build them, darken them, and light them as you want, and they won't ever, like be fully set down. I just continue to darken mine using black eyeshadow and smudge it out more and more and more. Now I'm taking a red multi-stick from Wet n Wild and I'm going to tightline that eye. Now we're going to start doing the tire tracks. I outlined mine with this cream pencil from Wet n Wild. It was super easy, and these are creamy so they will blend out. I'm just creating the diagonal lines down my face. I looked up a reference picture of tire tracks. They do make stencils for this, but I mean, I wanted to draw on my face. So continue down your entire face over one side. However many treads you want your tire to have, doesn't really matter. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush with a red toned eyeshadow on it and just blending these out to create more of a bruising effect. Jiving. Now I'm taking a smaller pencil brush and a black eyeshadow and going right underneath where the main red line was and creating my tire tracks. You want to do this over every red line you created on your face. You can go back and thicken your lines. I did to a few of mine so they looked more like tire treads and not just random grill marks on my face. I'm also applying a dark red lipstick to finish out my glam side of my face. You can do any color lip you want. I just thought the red would look cool. I don't know what's wrong with me. Now I'm taking some scab blood on a spatula. I am just kind of splattering this on my face in spots where I want thicker blood to be. This does dry super chunky and scabby. Starts off liquidy. Be careful, this will stain your clothes, your table, your floor, your life, your hands, everything. I also just took one of these sponges and cut a piece off and am stamping it over my face. And I found this really cool zombie blood spray at Walmart and I'm taking it very scary because I hadn't used it before, and I'm just adding a few sprays to my face and they're all drippy. I forgot the most important part of our glam face. Girl, we have to highlight. What is wrong with me? Can't be glam without a highlight. And I hope you guys like this look.
Huh? Yes? Do we like it? Do we love it? Are we living for it or dying for it? I mean, honestly, we'd probably be dead if we got ran over like this abruptly. And also, this is a large and in charge tire. And before you guys say anything, I do realize I'm missing a row right here. It's because I wanted to keep my little glam eye alive over here. Let me add some more highlight because, girl, even ran over, we're still shining, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. I almost said in Halloween. What? But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys like it, and I will see you all tomorrow in the next video.